Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to the second unit of academic writing, genres and types of academic writing. This is me Sufna Xavier from the Department of English, Carmel College, Mala. The fifth mode of academic writing or the fifth type of academic writing, it is review of literature. So far we have discussed about research paper, proposals, essays, and case studies, and the fifth one is review of literature or literature review. Literature review is an important component in a research paper. When you write a research paper, you need to give a title literature review. It is the summary of relevant previous writings on the topic under discussion. You are going to undertake a research on a particular topic, and before moving into your topic, you need to sum up all the relevant previous writing, all the previous studies that has been undertaken on this topic. It is a survey of books, journals, articles and other formal writings on a topic. A review of literature is expected to cover the broad area of research of the topic. Surveys literature which are current or up to date. Special attention is given to review the most recent writing available on the topic. It takes into account works relevant to the topic. It is in-depth and thorough, that it does not leave out any significant work in the field. It attempts to look at previous writing with a critical eye, often finding out the methodological and of other shortcomings of a work reviewed. It uses techniques of referencing to indicate details of works reviewed. So this is what a literature review is. You are undertaking a study about the previous studies undertaken about this particular topic. For example, if you are going to study about a particular algae and you are giving a literature review, that you are describing all the studies taken place about this particular algae, all the previous studies conducted on this algae. So that is literature review. Or if you are going to critically analyze, or if you are going to take a research on a particular novel, for example, The Remains of the Day, you are going to analyze that novel, and in literature review you have to include all the studies that are taken place about this particular novel, Remains of the Day. The sixth mode of writing is dissertation or thesis. The words dissertation and thesis are often used interchangeably to refer to the mandatory final projects in certain academic programs. When you finish your degree program, your graduation program, you have to conduct a dissertation, you have to give a dissertation, or you have to conduct a project on a particular topic. A doctoral thesis or dissertation is usually lengthier compared to a master's project. Dissertations or theses are reports of research work carried out by scholars. So when you complete a master's or your graduation, you do a dissertation. Whereas when you complete your research work, you write a thesis. A research thesis is lengthier than a master's project. The structure, number and titles of chapters, methodology followed in writing thesis or dissertation vary in different academic disciplines. For example, in science and social sciences, most universities insist on the following sections: title page, abstract, introduction, review of literature, methodology, results, discussion or findings, references or bibliography. In humanities, the whole thesis is divided into introduction, not less than 3 chapters, a conclusion and reference or work cited, or bibliography. So this is how we divide a research work or a thesis into different categories. We need to have a title page, an abstract, an introduction to the topic, a review of literature, that is a review about all the previous studies on that particular topic, methodology, the method used to conduct that study, the results or findings, and the discussion or findings, and references, the books to which we referred, bibliography, reference and bibliography both are same, and it is used in humanities, and the whole thesis can be also divided as introduction and 3 chapters and conclusion. These are the 2 different ways in which a research paper can be structured. Approaches to thesis writing: expository, descriptive, analytical, persuasive, and narrative and critical. These are some of the approaches to thesis writing. We can adopt any of these approaches to write our thesis. The style or the approach of your writing depends on the nature of the assignment, your discipline, audience, and purpose. So the style you choose depends on your topic. If you are writing a thesis on humanities or in a humanities subject, you need to adopt a different style. And if you are writing something in botany, then definitely you need to adopt some other approach. You can't use the same approach for these 2 disciplines. So it depends on the nature of the assignment, your discipline, audience, and purpose. Understanding the instructional word is necessary for selecting the approach to writing in an academic assignment. So when you write something in an academic environment, it is important for you to understand the instructional word. I have already discussed about the instructional words, different instructional words used in essay questions like analyze, critically evaluate, compare, and contrast. So these are some of the instructional words. So you need to understand which instructional word is used in the question, and you have to design your work accordingly. Thank you everyone. With this we can wind up today's class. Let's meet in another hour. Thank you.